So Vybz Kartel Freedom Concert venue and date are finally announced. Also, tickets will be going on sale this Saturday, August the 31st at 3 a.m. We don't have a clue how much the tickets are going for, but analysts speculate that the tickets are going to be, basic tickets are going to be somewhere between 15,000 Jamaican dollars and 100 US dollars to somewhere between probably 22,000 Jamaican dollars or 150 US dollar. With Cabana tickets will be probably going for like 1.5 million Jamaican or 10,000 US dollar. Remember now, this is just speculation. So the official tickets will be going on sale this Saturday at 3 a.m. Now, Vybz Kartel Freedom Street Concert is said to be the biggest concert in Jamaican history, and it will be held at the Jamaican National Stadium. The concert anticipates patrons from all 7 continents in the world. Yeah man, from Africa, from Asia, from Australia, from North and South America, which one me left out? Europe, everywhere. You know, people are go flying and forward because it's the greatest show on earth. Now, the last time Jamaica hosted a concert with this magnitude, it was back in 2009 with Buju Banton Long Walk to Freedom, where it was estimated that about 40,000 persons was in attendance. You know what I mean? And another 500,000 people was streaming on social media. That are like 500,000 people did a stream on social media. Since the announcement of Vybz Kartel Freedom Street Concert, a number of persons had advised the promoters of Sting to stand down or cancel this year's staging of Sting. One of those persons is the popular MC Nuffy. In a recent Instagram post, Nuffy said, "Leng, pull the show this year and give Kartel his December and let it be a Gaza Christmas." This year, Sting promoters are changing up things a little bit differently. Instead of one night, which would be the December 26th, they are having 3 nights of Sting. Now it look like say them choose like the worst year if you do that, because Vybz Kartel Freedom Street Concert will be held on the December 31st. So, you know, persons start speculate that Vybz Kartel should keep the show in a December, which no promoter no own no month, neither no date. A matter of fact, Vybz Kartel surprised me, because me the things the Vybz Kartel concert would be on the 30. No, not the 30. I thought it would be on the 26th of December, because Vybz Kartel and Leng have a little long controversy food, which we now going at that. But Maka Diamond came out and gave a very interesting suggestion. So Maka Diamond suggests that Sting should book Alkaline.
Alright, so there's an ongoing saga going on between Sting and Vybz Kartel's show. Energy of, Sting for this and Sting for canceller, Sting our keeper, the Vybz Kartel. But there's nothing wrong with it, because a whole show keep all the while on Christmas, whole show keep in the December time. There's also an ongoing controversy between Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. So me feel say if Sting headline Alkaline pan Sting, that will make it more interesting, don't it? I just say have Sting versus Vybz Kartel show, because it's that we don't love controversy, and we love excitement, and we love clash. So this will be a good clash. Yeah, one thing, people.
I feel like that is a good suggestion. If Sting have that pulling power and that money and that machine can book a Alkaline, it would be great for dancehall. It would be great for the culture, because let me tell you, Alkaline cannot stop Vybz Kartel show. Leng cannot stop Vybz Kartel show. Nobody but God alone can stop Vybz Kartel show. You know what I mean? So, me think say, given that it's already the busy season and Sting don't have its crowd, it would be a good look to see Alkaline performing and Sting And you know, say people that still anticipate Vybz Kartel show. No matter of fact, if Alkaline even smart, him start show some jobs at Vybz Kartel. Because since Vybz Kartel come out of jail, you know, remember, it's like Vybz Kartel is on a holiday. Which him should be on a holiday after lock up in a jail for so long. You know what I mean? But I think Alkaline should have take this opportunity and start show some jobs at Vybz Kartel. Reason being, if you don't remember dancehall, I remember how them suck me ago. Back in the days when Mavado and Kartel I go at it, none of them no left one another. Kartel no left Mavado no left Vybz Kartel. Same thing with Bounty and Beanie. Beanie no left Bounty and Bounty no left Beanie. They always going at it neck and neck. So like how this is going to be like one of the biggest concerts in the world's history. I don't know. I think it would have good for Alkaline, good for dancer, good for the culture. At the end of the day, everybody would have win. Gaza fans them would have win, and the Vendetta fans them would have win. But that are just me and probably Maka Diamond opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section about that thought. Alright? Remember, so you can check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Chaddy Murray right across the board. Alright? Please leave a like on this video. And do remember to subscribe. And people, I promise you, we're not going to see more content. Alright? A lot more.